Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Wednesday, August 27, 2008. PetroChina has agreed to buy the 50% stake in a joint venture held by parent company China National Petroleum Corp. For $11.8 billion. According to the Wall Street Journal, Hong Kong-listed PetroChina already owns half of the company, CNPC Exploration and Development Company. It was created in 2005 as a joint venture with PetroChina's state-owned parent to control most of the group's overseas oil and natural gas fields. PetroChina has been widely expected to buy the rest of the company sometime this year, but rising oil prices, which are now roughly double their level when the joint venture was formed, help push up the value of the remaining half. And staying with capital markets news, bidders for Anglo-Dutch publisher Reed Elsevier's trade magazine unit were allowed to rebid last week, and bids came in slightly lower than the first round. According to Reuters, several bidders submitted first-round offers for Reed Business Information earlier this month, valuing the publisher of Variety, Farmers Weekly, and New Scientist at $1 billion and £1.25 billion. And the rebids are not officially a second round, were allowed because bidders felt they were not provided enough information on the business in the first round. And in more capital markets news, the Federal Home Loan Bank system will sell $3 billion in new 3-year global notes to be priced later this week. Reuters reports that Barclays Capital, JP Morgan, and Merrill Lynch are joint lead managers for the offering. The syndication team includes 7 co-managers. Interest payments on the 3-year notes, which will mature on September 16, 2011, and will be made semi-annually on March 16th and September 16th. And in other capital markets news, Hyundai Heavy Industries will bid 3.35 trillion won for a controlling stake in Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering Company in what may be the industry's biggest acquisition. Hyundai Heavy will compete with POSCO, GS Group, and Hanwha Group for the 50.4% holding being sold by state-run Korea Development Bank and Korea Asset Management Corp. The successful bidder may end up paying more than double the value of the stake following Hyundai's Heavy's offer. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.